This guide will help you download your dividend report on Vanguard for the year 2026. Follow these simple steps to access your report easily. Step 1. Log into your Vanguard account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to your account overview. Once logged in, go to the My Accounts section. This is usually found at the top of the page. Click on it to view your account details. Step 3. Access the Tax Documents section. In your account overview, look for a link or tab labeled Tax Documents or Statements. Click on this to find your dividend reports and other tax-related documents. Step 4. Select the year 2026. Within the Tax Documents section, you will see a list of available documents by year. Locate the year 2026 and click on it to view the available reports for that year. Step 5. Download your dividend report. Find the specific dividend report you need for 2026. Click on the download link and the report will be saved to your device in a PDF or Excel format, depending on your choice. Now you can easily access and review your dividend report. If you have any questions or need further assistance, consider reaching out to Vanguard's customer support.